everybody, welcome back to MedPrep by Academically. This is Dr. Payam Vora, TCM physician, MDACU this side. Today, we are going to talk about our amazing vacancy. Yes, a recruitment with 232 posts. Absolutely. An opportunity that everybody has to grasp. And once you give this exam, there's going to be the two phases of examination. The first is the objective based, where there will be Hindi, English for 100 marks, and then the subjective based for 120 marks. So around 220 marks of the paper you are going to experience. And if you get selected, anybody from any part of the country can be eligible for this job. It's not that only Himachal Pradesh residents would be able to, opt for it. So here you can see the advertisement number on the HPPSC Himachal Pradesh Public Service Commission. There's an advertisement number for the job trainee. So once when you click on the notification, you can find that the closing date of application is 12th of December. Yes, 12th of December, 11:59 is the closing date. You can see here. And for the fees as well. So you can apply and pay the fees maximum by the 12th of December. And what are those posts? 232 posts, out of which 49 are unreserved. Unreserved mein ortho physically handicapped of Himachal Pradesh, there is 18. Unreserved for ex-serviceman. So these are the different breakdowns of the different, like one of the OBC of Himachal Pradesh, ST of Himachal Pradesh, SC of Himachal Pradesh. So these are the different vacancies and different breakdowns. And this is a group A post. Absolutely. The group A post which everybody can cherish. So what do you need? You need a matriculation certificate. You need a MBBS degree. That is the very important. And your caste certificates, SC, SC, EWS, whichever caste you belong to. Examination fees won't be refunded. So yes, you will not be refunded with the examination fees. That is very, very important. You also need a category certificate along with bona fide certificate of HP with experience if you have any. All right, to avoid any rejection. So this is what you need. List of documents for age proof, date of birth certificate, Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, government ID, degree certificates, experience certificates if required, and if you are a category, then the category certificate. If you belong to any particular category, then you need a category certificate. Absolutely. This is the post that you all are looking for. 232 posts, medical general officer, wing, health and family welfare, in nominant of 34,000 per month as a job trainee. So this is the final breakdown of unreserved 49. The rest are for few residents of Himachal Pradesh, few backlogs, few of the tribes, SC, ST, OBC, WS, ex-serviceman, etc. So here you can see the number of posts breakdown. And desirable qualification is a postgraduate degree, not compulsory, desirable. Essential is a MBBS. Desirable is postgraduate degree. So that is important. The eligibility condition, the date of determining the eligibility candidates is in experience is through the submission of the ORA, online recruitment applications. Online recruitment applications. So if you see this PDF in detail, your age must be between 18 to 45 years. That is must. That is a must. And a clarification, 5 years relaxation for the Himachal Pradesh SC, ST, OBC people, or the person with disability is physically handicapped of Himachal Pradesh. 5 years relaxation for them. All right. So please make a note of this. Please make a note of this. How do you apply? Simply go on the website http://himachalpradeshpublicservicecommission.hp.gov.in. Over there, you will find the applications. So on the homepage, apply online. This is a portal where you have to click, and then you will be redirected to the form whereby you can fill the details, education, qualification, your personal details, all the details you can fill, and what will be the examination site. This is important since it is a examination which is, there can be two parts in case of computer based test and in case of the OMR. So if it is a examination state, then it is going to be in Dharamshala, Mandi, Shimla, the Himachal Pradesh provinces. So the centers are liable to be changed if the efforts made are not, if there's any last moment change, it will be notified to you, but this will be your exam centers. Shimla, Queen of Hills, Dharamshala, and Mandi. You know, Mandi is a hub of Baddi, Mandi. There are, especially in the Baddi, there are so many pharmaceutical companies that you can look into, and you have to pay the fees. All right. So for the candidates of other states, as I told you, this vacancy, it's a bumper vacancy. Why? Because if you are of other state, अगर आप दूसरे state से हैं, if you are from Himachal Pradesh, not just Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Goa, Hyderabad, any state, you are eligible. You can apply. This is the breaking news. This is the headline that anybody can apply for this post. Not necessary, because most of the states, restrict कि only Maharashtra domicile, only bona fide of West Bengal, Hooghly. But Himachal Pradesh ने अपने द्वार खोल दिए हैं. Himachal Pradesh has opened the doors, and everybody from every state can apply for this post for India, जिनकी उम्र 18 से लेके 45 years तक की एज में है. Absolutely. All of you can definitely apply. Mode of payment, you can pay through a credit card, UPI, or any other details. Admit card and other details will be sent to you. And the selection process is categorized into two tests. First is the OCT, that is OST is the objective screening test, where Hindi, English, general knowledge, all of this will be given. And then SCT, subjective test, where your subjective questions will be asked. The next is the personality. So as an individual, like we have OSCEs, so your clinical case scenario, some personality tests will be taken up, whereby they will be judging you and then categorizing. This is a breakdown. Take a screenshot. Iska screenshot leke chalenge. This is a breakdown. जनरल नॉलेज ऑफ हिमाचल प्रदेश, तो आपको इन जनरल नॉलेज नहीं पढ़नी, हिमाचल प्रदेश की जनरल नॉलेज, मिनिस्टर्स एक्सेट्रा, वो ऑल द डिटेल्स, हाउ मेनी हॉस्पिटल्स आर देयर, व्हाट ऑल आर द स्कीम्स, व्हाट ऑल आर द डिफरेंट योजनास, जनरल नॉलेज ऑफ इंटरनेशनल अफेयर्स, फाइनेंस, सोशल, इकोनॉमिक. जनरल नॉलेज का नाम आते ही you cannot restrict it. It is either social, economic, financial, everything. Hindi, yes, Hindi and English also. So these B's, that makes up 100 marks of objective screening test and 120 marks of subjective screening test. Altogether 220 marks. Altogether 220 marks, my dear. So I've given you the website HPPSC, Himachal Pradesh Public Service Commission, whereby you can apply. You can click on apply now. You'll be redirected to a form. You can fill the form. Educational qualification details. I've already told you the emolument that you will be getting approximately 35,000 per month as a trainee. 232 posts, out of which 49 are for unreserved for different countries, for different states, and the rest are reserved. So out of 232, only 49 is for other states. The rest are reserved for Himachal Pradesh candidates, ex-serviceman, or the SC, ST, OBC, EWS, all the castes, or the physically hand PWD. All right. So this is an important detail. And at MedPrep by Academically, Payam sir is here for you, Akram sir is here for you, so that you conquer your dreams for becoming a medical officer. And we bring to you almost all exclusive vacancies that are out right from Himachal Pradesh, West Bengal, Maharashtra, ITDC, TMC, every vacancy details. So stay tuned and stay connected with us, because we also provide the description, the link for all of this in the description box. And with the help of that link, you can directly go onto the website, and you can also join our Telegram group for latest updates and information if you are interested in. And if you want to pursue as a doctor, if you are not qualified NEET PG, and if you wish to go to FMG, if you wish to go for the UMC, AMC 1, AMC 2, if you wish to go for the USMLE, NZX, everything, we are there for you. Absolutely. So stay connected with us, and we'll be bringing up more such videos upon different vacancies as and when they are popping up in the sections. So wishing you all good luck. Have a great day. Keep learning, keep cherishing, and keep hustling.